If you're looking for a quick connector that will help you pass critical inspections and tough applications, the nVent King Innovation DryConn DBSR Black Medium is UL486D listed for waterproof and direct bury connections and will make a secure and permanent splice. And only the nVent King Innovation DryConn Black Medium delivers one-step connections with no pre-twisting of wires. Simply twist on the connector, close the lid, and put directly into the ground. The special silicone sealant will keep your splice safe from water, and the extended tube will ensure that, if the wires are pulled, there's no strain on your splice.